Man, who is this?
We got a package.
Man, hey, get out of here, man.
Shut the door on me like that, bro. YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Guapo. Be back with another video, and today we got something a little special, man. Big shout out to Auxito's team. They hit me up, reached out to me. We got our first sponsor, y'all. So listen, check them out for sure. I'm gonna give you guys a full unboxing, review, my opinion, and everything like that. But let's get into the video. Let me show you what we're working with real quick. Like I said, y'all, big shout out to Auxito. I appreciate everything y'all have done for me. Appreciate y'all believing in the kid. But like I said, y'all, I'm gonna give you guys a full unboxing, review, install, everything like that. My opinions, but let's get straight into it. No time wasted. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and let's go. YouTube, anyway, so we're here for the unboxing. Like I said, big shout out to Auxito for sending me the package. Anyways, guys, if you guys don't know, these are their LED headlights. And this isn't my first pair. The Scat Pack I had that you guys see on my very first video, if you guys haven't, check it out. The 2021 Scat Pack wide body night POV. I actually had this brand for the headlights, so I already know how they work. Very good brand. But anyways, let's get straight into the unboxing. You feel me? Anyways, let's go ahead and cut this thing open. I'm not trying to mess up the packaging, but you know, if it happens, it happens. I'm sorry. Alright, anyways, let's get all this off. As you see, presentation's pretty decent, you know what I'm saying? I'll show you around the whole box. Pretty much tells you what you got, you know, easy to install, stuff like that. The specifications are right here if you guys want to check, you know, if it comes to temperature, light, color, anything like that. So anyways, let's open this guy up. And as you guys see, if you guys don't know, whenever you guys install headlights, you're not supposed to use your hands because the oil on top of the glass housing, or the glass housing can, you know, cause a fire and stuff like that. So anyways, we're gonna take the gloves out. Looks like we have some zip ties right here to pretty much hide wires and stuff like that, so that's gonna be good. Right here we have pretty much a manual, pretty much give you step by step, again probably telling you what the product's about, everything like that. I'm gonna put this right here, and then inside we have the lights and of course the outlets or the plugs and everything you have to plug it in. Now the one thing I really like about these headlights is, of course, there's fans right here to cool off the headlights on how bright they are and stuff like that. So guys, I can already tell you this, I've dealt with this brand before. I've had no problems, no issues, no nothing. They are a great brand. And now, hey, let's get into what y'all want. So let's hop straight into the install, you dig? Alright y'all, so now let's get into the install. The install is actually relatively easy. So like I said, it is a headlight, it's a headlight that we're changing out. So we're gonna come right here, we're gonna go back here in this corner. This is gonna be a capsule you're gonna twist off and pull out. That's the housing for it. And I'm gonna take that capsule off real quick and show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so this is the housing piece I was talking about. Like I said, all you gotta do is just twist it, and then it should release for you. And it's, like I said, it's super easy. All you gotta do then is just find out where the light bulb is and pop it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, so we went ahead and just took out the headlight I had in here. Like I said, it's not too bad. It's a little crammed, I'm not gonna lie, when you get here, but all I did was, there was a latch on mine, but if you have stock headlights, all you gotta do is just twist it out of the housing. So boom. Now the next thing you are going to need, the passenger side is the easiest. You are gonna have to take the intake off in order to reach the driver's side. So if I were you guys, I go to Lowe's real quick. It's $24.99. Get you a little ratchet set. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna go ahead, glove up, and I'm gonna go ahead and install the passenger side. So let's get it. Alright y'all, so we got one light went ahead and installed, and you guys can check real quick, just unlock. And as you guys see, it's LED, it's not halogen, so it's gonna help us out a lot at night whenever you are driving. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on to the driver's side. I'm gonna take the intake out. I'm not gonna do all that on camera because it's gonna be a pain in the butt. But when I see you guys again, both of the lights will be installed, so let's get it. Alright y'all, so both headlights on this guy are done, but I messed up. I didn't get to do it before, so I didn't get to show you my halogens. But I do have a reference for you guys right here. So these are pretty much what the halogens look like. As you guys see, they are a orange color. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it that well, but they are orange color. And then of course the LEDs that Auxito sent us are of course gonna be more of a bluish white. So I'm gonna show you the final result of the headlights, guys, and I promise you it's well worth the money. It's gonna help you guys out, keep you safer on the road and everything like that. So let's go check out the after. All right, y'all, so these are the after. As you guys see, it is more of a bluish white, a lot more clear, guys. Like I said, you will be able to see a lot better with these lights, especially driving at night. And like I said, keep you safer, because like I said, you're going fast in these type of cars. You're gonna need to stay safe. In my opinion, this should be your first Mod 2-year Charger or Challenger. Like I said, it could really save you guys. Like again, I want to shout out Auxito, guys. Thank you guys so much. Anyways, guys, that is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And if anyone wants to send anything when it comes to the company, guys, be sure to follow me on my personal Instagram. DM me on there. And like I said, guys, I appreciate, shout out to Auxito for sending the lights, guys. Like I said, be sure to check out the next video coming out. Be sure to share this one, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Come on, blow this up. Let's get it. And it's your boy, and I'm out.